Want to remove your credit card from your Temu account? Here's how to do it securely. First, open the Temu app or go to temu.com on your browser. Now log into your account. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and go to Payment Methods. Find the credit card you want to remove and tap on it. Click on the Remove option to unlink the card from your account. Confirm the action and your card will no longer be saved. Always make sure to remove outdated or unused payment methods for extra security. Have you ever removed a card from Temu? Let me know how easy it was. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.